Hey everyone, welcome to Educated Himalaya. So I'll try to break this chapter drainage system of India into a really short and crisp manner so that you can remember all the facts and important concepts. So let's start with the chapter. Now, Indian drainage system mainly consists of two major groups. One is the Himalayan river system. जितनी भी rivers हिमालय से निकलती है वो सबके सब हिमालयन रिवर सिस्टम में कॉन्स्टिट्यूट की जाती है एंड पेनिनसुलर इंडिया जो कि सदर्न इंडिया में जितनी भी रिवर्स निकलती है उनको हम उस तरह से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन Himalayan and peninsular river system? Now, first of all, Himalayan rivers are perennial in nature. Perennial का मतलब है उनमें सारा साल पानी होता है. Peninsular river are seasonal. The other thing about Himalayan river is they cause much erosion and they have great flow of water. क्योंकि वो हिमालय से आती है, एंगल बहुत ज़्यादा है और they cover a large distance. So Himalayan rivers cause meandering, जबकि peninsular rivers they are straight. Himalayan rivers originate in Himalayas and peninsular rivers originate in small hills and plateaus. So Himalayan rivers irrigate northern plains and peninsular rivers they irrigate Deccan plains. So Himalayan basins are very fertile and peninsular rivers are not so fertile. They cover large distance and they cover a very shorter distance. So these are the difference between Himalayans and peninsular rivers. Now let us talk about drainage patterns. So we have already studied in the chapter what are the drainage patterns. So let us look at the examples. So dendritic patterns. So जितने भी इंडो गैंगेटिक रिवर्स है, गंगा के ट्रिब्यूटरीज है या इंडस के आसपास की रिवर्स है, they all form dendritic patterns. So these examples can be asked in exam. Trellis patterns, Singabham mountains which are found around छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू, तो ये एग्जांपल है ट्रेलिस ड्रेनेज पैटर्न का. रेक्टेंगुलर ड्रेनेज पैटर्न का कौन सा परफेक्ट एग्जांपल है? इट इज द विंध्यन रेंज. नाउ रेडियल रेंज की एक माउंटेन से चारों तरफ जब रिवर्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूट होती है तो उसको रेडियल ड्रेनेज बोलते हैं. सो द परफेक्ट एग्जांपल इज अमरकंटक हिल्स. सो यू कैन कमेंट इन द सेक्शन बिलो कि अमरकंटक हिल से कौन सी इंपॉर्टेंट नदी निकलती है. Let us move further. The Himalayan river system. So mainly जो Himalayan river system है वो तीन rivers को मिलाकर बनता है. One is Indus, also known as Sindhu. The other is Ganga, yes, the holy Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. So we'll start with the Indus river. Indus river. So length जो है Indus river की, it is around 2880 kilometers. So only a little over one third of this length which flows in India. It is around 709 kilometers. So origin कहाँ पर है इंडस का? Origin it rises in Tibet which is near मानसरोवर lake. So जो ग्लेशियर है जो सबसे ज़्यादा contribute करता है इंडस रिवर के originate में उसको बोकार्चू. Chu is also known as also termed as glacier. Now what are the tributaries? So सबसे पहले जो तिब्बत है वो originate होकर इंडिया की लद्दाख डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एंटर करती है. The most important tributary which constitute Indus in Ladakh is one is Jaskar, the other is Nubra. Nubra Valley is very famous tourist destination as well. Shiok and Hunza. So here should be Hunza. I wrote it wrong. Let's move further. Tributaries from other parts. So Satluj, Ravi, Byas, Chenab, Jhelum. So these are five very important rivers. They all flow through Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. So these are very important rivers for India as well. So Indus emerges from mountains as at Atok. So Atok में क्या है? Mountains ये planar region में enter करती है. उसके बाद ये these all rivers सतलुज, रावी, ब्यास, चिनाब एंड झेलम ये सारी की सारी कहाँ पर इंडस में मिल जाती है. मिथान कोट के पास पहुंचते पहुंचते दे ऑल सबमर्ज्ड इनटू इंडस. नाउ दिस eventually the Indus river will drain into Arabian Sea. Let us look at the Ganga river system. Now Ganga is the most important river system in India. Why? Because length 2525 kilometers 2525 nearly around 2500 kilometers. So Ganga has two headwater streams. One is left side is the Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi is the main source जिसका source है ये गंगोत्री रिवर से निकलती है. The other part is अलखनंदा. तो दो रिवर को मिला के बनती है. सो एक यहाँ से आ रही है लेफ्ट साइड से भागीरथी, ऑन द राइट साइड से आ रही है अलकनंदा. तो द headwater, the most important part is कि originate कहाँ माना जाता है, this is a Gangotri glacier. उसके बाद these two river meet at Devprayag. Devprayag, this is the region. Devprayag के बाद it flows in the name of Ganga. Now what is very important thing is कि जब ये शुरू में originate होती है तो हिमालय से originate करती है, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे it reaches the plain. Now the question is कि it emerges out of the plains at which place? The place name is the Haridwar. Yes, the sacred Haridwar. Tributaries. What are the tributaries? So Ganga बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी river है, बहुत सारी tributaries इसको मिलती है. The important tributaries can be, the most important tributary that I can say is the Yamuna. It is also the right bank tributary. अब right bank कैसे? For example, ये left to right अगर ये river flow कर रही है तो इसका right क्या होगा? So दूसरी तरफ से आप सोच सकते हो कि मेरा राइट या आपका राइट, बट द थिंग इज कि जिस तरफ फ्लो करती है रिवर उसका लेफ्ट या राइट. तो यमुना इज अ राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी, सो राइट साइड से आती है. सोन इज ऑल्सो राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी, सो ये भी राइट साइड से आती है. तो लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज कौन कौन सी हो सकती है? द घाघरा, द गंडक, द कोसी, गोमती. So these are all left bank tributaries and they are very important as far as Ganga river system is concerned. So what is special about Ganga is Ganga eastern side की तरफ flow करती है at Farakka till Farakka. अब Farakka से क्या है? It bifurcates into Hooghly, जो southern side को एक river जाएगी, that is Hooghly, especially in West Bengal. The other part goes to where? It goes to Bangladesh. It is known as the Padma in Bangladesh. Now ये जो पद्मा रिवर है उसके बाद किसके साथ मिलती है? ब्रह्मपुत्र के साथ. And after that it flows in the name of Megha. Let us talk about peninsular rivers. Now peninsular rivers we have divided into two portions on the basis of drainage. One is Arabian Sea drainage. जितनी भी नदियाँ drain होगी Arabian Sea में, west flowing rivers will be studied in Arabian Sea part, and other part is Bay of Bengal, all the eastern flowing rivers. Now these rivers are divided by important water divide, which is the Western Ghat. Now let us move further. Let us look at the Arabian Sea drainage. Now Narmada is a very important river. It originate in Amarkantak Hills. Now हमने अभी पहले study करा था Amarkantak Hills किस तरह के drainage pattern को represent करती है. It is in Madhya Pradesh. This river flows through a rift valley. This rift valley is the area between Vindhya and Satpura. At Jabalpur, it flows through a gorge. Now generally हम जब gorge की बात करते हैं तो हम associate करते हैं हिमालय से निकलने वाली नदियों से, but जबलपुर एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर नर्मदा it flows through a gorge. Now Dhodar Falls is the most notable fall of Narmada river. Tributaries of Narmada rivers are short, so we don't need to study them. Let us look at another river, which is the Tapi. Now Tapi, it originates in Satpura ranges in the Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. It flows parallel to Narmada in the same rift valley. So दो ऐसी rivers थी जो हम देख चुके हैं जो rift valley से flow करेगी. One is Tapi and other is Narmada. So इसका जो drainage basin है वो cover करता है states मध्य प्रदेश, गुजरात और महाराष्ट्र को. Other west flowing rivers, which are other west flowing rivers, one is Sabarmati, Mahi, Bharatpuzha and Periyar. So do one thing, comment in the section below कि साबरमती के सामने आप dash लगा के लिख लोगे कौन सी state से बहती है, माही के आगे भरतपुजा. We have already studied western flowing. Now time for eastern flowing rivers. So Godavari is the largest peninsular river. इसकी लेंथ अराउंड 1500 किलोमीटर्स है. ये ओरिजिनेट करती है नासिक डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन जो कि वेस्टर्न घाट के एरिया से निकलती है. इन सो जो ड्रेनेज बेसिन है गोदावरी का अराउंड 50% जो ड्रेनेज बेसिन है वो कंट्रीब्यूट करता है महाराष्ट्र. द अदर स्टेट्स आर मध्य प्रदेश, उड़ीसा एंड आंध्र प्रदेश. Now tributaries of largest river of one is Purna, Vardha, Pranhita, Manjra, Vainganga and Penganga. So ये जो लास्ट वाली तीन tributaries है Manjra, Vainganga and Penganga, these are relatively larger in length. So let us talk about Mahanadi. Mahanadi originates in the highlands of Chhattisgarh. Length is around 860 kilometers. Basin जो है इसका it is shared by several states. One of them is Maharashtra, other is Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha. Now the Krishna Basin. Krishna originates from a spring near Mahabaleshwar. इसकी length 1400 kilometers है. तो इससे only जिसकी ज़्यादा length थी was Godavari. Now the tributaries Krishna rivers are Tumbhadra, Bhima, Musi and Koyna. The other one is Kaveri Basin. Kaveri rises in Brahmagiri ranges in Western Ghats. Length इसकी जो है 760 किलोमीटर्स. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रिब्यूटरीज इसकी कौन सी है? अमरावती, हिमावती, भवानी एंड काबिनी. Now drainage basin of Kaveri river is shared by Karnataka, Kerala and